our chapter Statistics, intended for grade 9 pupils. So grade 9 subject Maths, chapter Statistics. A. The aim of this lesson is to solve problems involving statistics. Objective: at the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to draw bar chart horizontal or vertical from given data, draw pie chart and solve problems involving pie chart, find mode, mean, median from set of numbers, find mode, mean and median from frequency table. Understand and solve problems involving tally marks. So statistics, firstly, bar chart. We have vertical bar chart and horizontal bar chart. So horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, the bars are going to be vertical or standing. Horizontal bar chart, the bars are going to be parallel to the horizon. So these are horizontal. So pie chart, mode, mean, median from a set of numbers, mode, mean, median from a table, and then tally mark. Bar chart, so an example one. The table below shows the monthly or the sales of 4 commodities A, B, C, D for the year 2010. So in year 2010, the sales of ABCD given below. So commodity A, 30 units sold, B, 40, and so on. Firstly, represent the given data on a vertical bar chart and give a short title to the bar chart. So firstly, vertical bar chart means the bars are going to be vertical. Secondly, represent the given data on a horizontal bar chart and give a short title. So horizontal, the bars are going to be horizontal. Here. Solution, vertical bar chart. We have data or sales given for the year 2010. So x-axis will represent the commodity ABCD. The y-axis will represent the sales. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So commodity A, our title is, we can write sales for year 2010. We can also write sales against commodity. So commodity A, 30 sold. So height up to, we draw a bar up to 30. No need to shade here, just for representation. So B, 40. So B up to a height of 40. Now the widths of the bars are the same. We leave a small space between the bars. Now here 30 means a frequency. Frequency is proportional to the height. So height. Part C, commodity C, only 10 sold, so up to 10. So same widths, all the widths are the same. the same width, leave a small distance between the columns. Part D, still we leave a small space, 20, so up to 20. Same width. So here the height, the highest bar represents B is sold most. So B is sold 40 units of B sold. The least sold is C. Only 10 units of C sold for the year 2010. So one advantage of a bar chart is the original data is preserved. So we can obtain 30 from the bar chart. Okay, we can obtain 40, B40 from the bar chart. Second advantage is easy comparison of data. Now, horizontal bar chart, the same data given. So title, sales for the year 2010, or so x-axis sales, y-axis commodity. So we always say y against x. So we can also say commodity versus sales. So sales, scale as 10, 20, 30, 40. Commodity A, we start with A. So this is a horizontal bar chart. So the bars are going to be horizontal. So A, 30, so up to 30. Leave a small space. B, 40. So B, up to 40. The widths are the same widths. So here the widths are the same. C, we leave a small space. C, 10. So each time we leave the same space, we leave the same space. The widths are the same. So C, 10. D, 20. So D, 20. So this is a horizontal bar chart. Now pie chart. Pie chart means data is represented in a circle. So one complete turn is 360 degrees. Means whole data, sum of all data is represented by 360 degrees. So the angles of the sector are proportional to the data given. So advantage of using a pie chart, easy comparison, so we can compare easily. Disadvantage of using a pie chart is original data is lost. So we do not have original data from the pie chart. So an example, the table below shows the monthly expenditure of a certain family. So items, food, rent, and so on. So food, the family spent 100 rupees on food, rent so much, closes, so a total amount of 200 rupees in a month. Represent this information on a labeled pie chart. So we must label in a labeled pie chart. So solution. Here, pie chart data is represented in a circle. The total is 200 rupees. 200 rupees will be equivalent to 360 degrees. So 360 degrees means 200 rupees represented by one complete circle, 360 degrees. So 1 rupee, simple proportion, 360 over 200 means 1.8 degrees. So when we divide by 2, 180 over 100 is 1.8 degrees without using a calculator. So here we calculate a new heading is added angle for each item. So food represent 100 rupees. So 1 rupee is equivalent to 1.8 degrees. So 100 rupees is equivalent to 1.8 times 100, So 100 rupees is equivalent to 180 degrees. Now red, 40 rupees. So 1 rupee is 1.8, 40 rupees is 1.8 times 40 without using a calculator. So 1.8 times 40, 1.8 times 18 times 4, 72 degrees. So without you have to calculate without using a calculator. This is a paper 1 question. Now closes 30 degrees or 30 rupees. 1 rupee 1.8 degrees, 30 rupees 1.8 times 30. So 18 times 54 degrees. Now transport 10 rupees. So 1 rupee 1.8, 10 rupees 1.8 times 10, 10 rupees 18 degrees. Now gas and electricity 20 rupees. So 20 rupees is 1.8 times 20 degrees. So 18 times 2, 36 degrees. We must calculate, we must add sum of all angles has to be 360 degrees. If the sum of angle is not 360 degrees, so we have committed or we have done a mistake, we have to correct. Now we are going to represent all these angles on a pie chart. To do it exactly, we need a protractor. So pie chart, data is represented in a circle. So firstly, food is 180 degrees. Easy, we draw a straight line, half of the angle, 180 degrees. So this is food. So we must draw and label. Secondly, we need a protractor. So place, look well, where do we place? So at the center. So we measure 0 clockwise, 0 up to 72 degrees. So we measure 72 degrees. Using a pencil, we put a dot at 72 degrees. We remove the protractor. Using a ruler, we draw a line. So this angle is exactly 72 degrees. This represents red. And then again, using a protractor, we measure next angle. So we place the protractor well. So accuracy. So start from 0 angle, measure clockwise here. So 0 up to 54. You put a dot where there is 54. Remove the protractor. Use a ruler. You draw a line. You have 54 degrees. This is for clothes. Now next angle, still you use a protractor to measure 18 degrees. So this sector, this is for transport. And then 36 degrees, this is for gas and electricity. So we have drawn our pie chart, so we can compare easily. So the item on which the family spend most is food. The item on which the family spends the least is transport, and so on. Now next part, mode, mean and median from a set of numbers. So example 1, find the mode, mean and median from the following set of numbers. So A, B, C, D, we have set of numbers given, required to find the mode, mean and median. So solution, part A, we have 4, 2, 1, 6, 2, 2, 4. First step, we must rearrange in ascending order. So first we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, and then 6. So in all we have 7 numbers. So n is equal to 7 odd. So n means number of figures. We have 7. N is 7 odd. Firstly, mode. Mode is a number which occurs most often or highest frequency number. So which number occurs most often is 2. So 2 we have 3 times. So the mode is the number 2. Secondly, mean. Mean is sum of scores divided by number of observation or number of scores. In abbreviation format, this is a summation sign, sum of x divided by n. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 7. 21 over 7, we obtain 3. So the mean is 3. Thirdly, median. So median is a number that divides a distribution into two equal parts. So here, 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. So the median is 2. So median we calculate from the set of numbers that has been rearranged. So the middle term. So median, middle term here, 2. We have another method of calculating the median is using formula. Median is given by the formula half n plus 1's term. So this is half n is given 7 plus 1 means 8 over 2 fourth term. So fourth term we calculate here first, the second, the third. So the fourth is 2. So here also we obtain 2. You need to know both methods. Now part B, we have set of numbers given 6, 8, 6, 3, 4, 3. So first step, we must rearrange. So we have 3, 3, 4, 6, 6, 8. So n here is equal to 6, even. First part, we took an example where n is odd, now n is even. So for the mode, mode is a number which occurs most often or highest frequency number. So where is the mode? So 3 we have 2 times and 6 we have 2 times. So we have 2 modes here. So mode is a number which occurs most often. So here mode is 3 and 6. Secondly, mean. Mean is sum of scores divided by number of observation. So summation x over n. This is 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 divided by number of terms 6. So 30 over 6, 5. Third part, median. So median is a number that divides a distribution into two equal parts. So here we have 3 terms and 3 terms. So when we divide, we have 2 terms in the middle, 4 and 6. So the median will be 4 plus 6 over 2, 10 over 2, 5. Or we can use the formula. Formula to use median is half n plus 1's term. So half n is 6 plus 1, 7 over 2, 3.5. So meaning of 3.5th term is between third and fourth term. Third and fourth term. So it's between third and fourth means third plus fourth divided by 2. So third term, here we can find our third term first. Second, third term is 4. Fourth term is 6. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 10 over 2, 5. Now another example. Now next part we have mode mean median from given table. So we have a table also known as the frequency table. Given, we need to find mode mean medians. For example 1, the table below shows the score X obtained by a team in 25 matches. So X, the score, F represents the frequency. Frequency means how many times. So score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F3 means the team scores 1 mark 3 times. So this is a frequency means 3 times. So we have 1, 1, 1. So 2, the frequency is 8, means 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 matches, it obtained a score of 2 marks. 5, 2, 3, 4. So in 3 matches, the team scores only 1 mark, 1 point. So in 8 matches, the team score each 2 points or 2 marks, and so on. So in all, there are 25 matches. Calculate the mode. The model score means the mode. The mean score, the median score. Here we have our frequency. This is also called the frequency table. So this is a frequency table. So number of matches is 25. So n is 25. Odd. First part required to find the model class. Model score or score with highest frequency, also known as the mode, highest frequency 8. So the number with the highest frequency is 2. So the mode is 2. Secondly, mean score. So mean score, we have a new formula, sum of score times frequency over sum of frequency. So the logic is, in 3 matches, the team scored 1 mark. So the total is 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. In 8 matches, the team scored each 2 marks. So the total score is 2 times 8. So the total score for the 25 matches is 1 times 3 plus 2 times 8 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 times 3 plus 6 times 4 divided by number of matches is 25, or 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we obtain, upon calculation, 81 over 25. We can either leave the answer as a fraction if required to give answer in decimal without using a calculator. Times 4 times 4, 324 over 100. When we divide by 100, the decimal point moves backward by 2 places. We obtain 3.24. Now solution. Third part required to find the median. So to find the median, a new row is added called the cumulative frequency, or CF. So the cumulative frequency gives us the rank of the numbers. So the cumulative frequency gives us the rank of the numbers. So a new heading is added, CF, or cumulative frequency. So 1 we have 3, means 1, 1, 1. So it stopped at the third term. So 1 stops at the third term. So what is at the fourth term is the number 2. So 1 stops at third term, means the fourth term is a number 2. So 3 plus 8 terms, we have 11 terms. So 2 stops at the 11th term. So the fourth term is 2 up to 11. The 11th term is 2. 2 stops at the 11th term. So the 12th term is a number 3. Now 11 plus 5, 16, means 3 stops at the 16th term. The 17th term is 4. So 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 3 term, 21 plus 4 term, 25. So n is equal to 25 odd. Median formula is half n plus 1's term. So half the n number of matches, 25 plus 1, 26 over 2, 13th term. So now we find the 13th term. So here 2 stops at the 11th term. So the 12th term is free. 12 to 16th term is free. So the 13th term is obviously the number 3. So here we must know how to read the table. So median is 3. Now example 2. A fair cubical die thrown 20 times and the score obtained or tabulated below. So a fair cubical die score can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We obtain 4 times 1, 6 times 2, 4 times 3, 3 times 4, 1 times 5, and 2 times 6. So we add all the frequency, we are going to obtain 20. So n is equal to 20. Calculate the model score or the mode, the mean score, the median score. So here, n 20. So we threw the die 20 times here n even. So first part, the model score or the mode. Mode is a number which occurs most often, or highest frequency number. Highest frequency 6 means we obtain 2 6 times. So the model score or the mode is 2. Secondly, mean. Means is sum of score times frequency over sum frequency. Means here 1 we obtain 4 times. The total score is 1 times 4. 2 we obtain 6 times. So 2 times 6. So 1 times 4 plus 2 times 6 plus 3 times 4 plus 4 times 3 plus 5 times 1 plus 6 times 2 divided by 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. So here we calculate, we obtain 57 over 20. So either we leave it as fraction, but if required to give answer in decimal, so times 5, what 285 over 100, so divided by 100, the decimal point moves backward by 2 places, we obtain 2.8. Now to find the median, a new row is added called the cumulative frequency. So to find the median, we add a new row, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency gives us the rank. So one stops at the, we have 4 times number 1. So one stops at the 4th number. 4 plus 6, 10. Plus 4, 14. 17 plus 1, 18 plus 2, 20. So n is equal to 20 even. So thirdly, median. Formula to find median is half n plus 1's term. So here half n is 20 plus 1. So 21 over 2, 10.5. So this is between 10th and 11th. We have 10.5 means between 10th and 11th. So we find the 10th term from the table. So here 2 stops at the 10th term. 2 stops at the 10th term means the 10th term is 2. So the 10th term is 2 plus the 11th term. 2 stops at 10. So the 11th term is 3. So 2 plus 3 over 2, 5 over 2, 2.5. Now last part, tally mark. So tally mark, an example, write the tally mark of each number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 16. So tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. Now the number, say 13 or 14. In tally mark, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 14. So this is tally mark. So tally mark of two balls. Tally mark of three balls. Tally mark of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 10 plus 3, 13. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 plus 1, 16. So this is tally mark. Numerals to tally mark. We also can convert tally mark to numerals. So example 2, convert the following tally mark to numerical value. Here tally mark given. So firstly 1, 2, 3, 4. Secondly 5 plus 3. So we have 5 plus 3. We obtain 8. Here we have 5 plus 4, 9. 5, 5, 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 5, 5, 5. 15 plus 2, 17. Tally mark an example. The data of the number of days in a class of 24 pupils who are absent from school in first term are as follows. So we have the number of days each pupil is absent. Out of 24 pupils means we are going to have 24 figures, one figure for each pupil. So the figure represents the number of days a pupil is absent in a term. So 5 means a pupil was absent 5 days in the term. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, and so on. So in all, we are going to have 24 figures, 8 by 3. So construct a frequency table. So solution, we have our figures given. So score, we have score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do not have number 6. Tally mark, we use tally mark, and then we obtain the frequency. So tally mark, so we have 5, 2, 1. So we put a mark at 5, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 4. 2, 4. 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. So at 2, we had already 4 plus 1, 5. So 4, 4, 1. 4, 4, 1. 2, 3. 2, 3. 5, 2, 4. 5, 2, 4. 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 3. 4, 1. So 4, 1. So we have obtained tally marks for each score. So 1 we have obtained 3 times. So 1 we have obtained 3 times, 2 8 times, 3 6 times, 4 5 times, 5 2 times. So when we add, we must obtain 24. So 8 plus 3 plus 8, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 5, 22 plus 2, 24. So we can draw a frequency table from here. So frequency table, X represents number of days absent. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then number of pupils of frequency, number of days absent. This represents the score. Number of pupils represent the frequency. So 3 pupils were absent on only one day. So 1, 3, 2, 8, 6, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 2. So here 4, 5 means number of days absent. 4 means 5 pupils were absent on 4 days, and so on.